Hype. Have you heard about hyping on YouTube? So that's a new feature that's for now only available on the mobile version of YouTube. So you won't be able to hype videos on the desktop. But first of all, I just wanted to let you know what is hyping a video. So it's only going to be eligible to YouTubers that have less than 500,000 subscribers. So it's not for big channels. It's only going to be for smaller channels. And you can hype their videos. So YouTube is going to push their content a little bit more. So it's just a new way of pushing and helping smaller channels to get views. Very simple. And you can give 3 hypes per week. So you really need to select the videos you want to hype. Do that with your favorite creators, the smaller channels, of course. And what else can I say about hyping? I will show you exactly how you get to the hype section on your YouTube channel. When you go to your YouTube, I'll show you how you can find the hyped videos, and I will show you as well how you can hype a video that you like on YouTube. Let's go. You're gonna go to your YouTube channel and I will show you how to find the hypes. So if you go to your main portal, you're gonna go to the top left. You will see that little circle next to all. Type on this, and here you have, so I've got premium, but here you have whatever is accessible to you, and you have the hype button right here. So here you have all the channels. There's a ranking pretty much, and the videos that have been hyped the most, you can find them there. But then you can select via category. So music, sport, gaming, travel, vlog, uh, anime, anime, movies, food, and animals. So those are the ones that have been ranked as the most hyped. So they will show on the leaderboard. You can find the videos you hyped. So this is a video I did hype. And now I'm going to show you. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's go to that video. And I know like it's probably going to be possible to hype it. So that's the video. If I go here to the side, no, this one, see, like I cannot hype. Now let's go to, I need to find a small channel, right? Oh yeah, her. I know, like
you
probably
heard
will
the
be able
advice
to hype her
be
videos.
consistent on social
So
media. Everybody
first,
says it. You should post
I
one
just
time a
want
day.
to stop the video. Okay. So if you scroll, yeah, there you go. See, if you scroll to the right, you have the hype button here. So I can hype the video. So it's gonna be the first to hype this video. So if I hype it, she's gonna get 270 points, and I will do it. Let's go. So here you go. And then there's the leaderboard right here. So she'll probably be in the category, I would say, vlog. That's what I would think she'd fall in. So vlog, but those are the videos that are in the vlog category and that have been hyped the most. But yeah, so that's what you can do. I think it's a great way to help your favorite creators. Let's say that person, right?
Walking.
He doesn't
10,000.
have a lot of, I mean, he's got less than 500,000 subscribers, so it should be able to be hyped, but he's not. As you can see, you cannot hype those videos. So we can go to, I think Shane Hammers has 1 million subscribers, so there's no way you can hype him. But if you take 44,000 subscribers. Let's see if you can hype those videos. So
Imagine
they need to
this.
be,
You wake up.
as I said, 7 days. Yeah, you can. 7 days old max. So you could, and if you check your older videos, I'm sure if we take a video that's like 4 months old,
What is the most
you
important?
probably won't be able to hype it. Yes. Okay, got it. So this is how it works. It's just a great way to push your favorite small channels creators. So if you really enjoy watching a creator and you don't know, like you just want to help your way, hyping their videos is a great way to do so. Um, I mean, it doesn't mean the channel is literally gonna blow up and explode and become like very famous at all, but it is a way to say thank you. And actually,
steps,
I'm thinking this
10,000.
video, yeah, it's 2 days old. Let's see how many. It's got less than 500,000, which is very strange that
10,000
we're
per
not
day.
You probably heard
able
that
to
you need
hype this
10K
video.
steps a day to burn.
You would think you could, but you can't. It's got too many subscribers. That's why. But anyways, yeah. So don't hesitate to help your favorite creators, because like a hype, a like, subscribe, that goes a long way, especially when you're spending time, to create videos, and you're just doing it to help people with tips and tricks, or sharing experiences. I think it's a great way to thank them your own way. So yeah, if you want to hype a video, go for it. You just can hype 3 videos, and you can only do it from your phone. So I do have an iPhone, but I suppose it's the same on Android. But there you go. You have it. You know exactly how to hype. So don't be lazy and just go hype videos. Well, I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please don't forget to give me some thumbs up and hype my channel if you want to. Hype my video. I'm sure my videos are all eligible to be hyped. If I remember as well, the videos, they need to be 7 days old, the ones that you can hype. So it's really newer videos. So it's mainly when a YouTuber is publishing a video for the smaller channels, it's a way for their videos to be pushed a little bit more, because they're hyped very, very soon once they publish the video. So, hope this was useful. If it was, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to, you can hype my video. See you guys.